Welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today we're going to show you how to create a pie chart in Excel quickly and easily. Charts are great helpers when presenting or reviewing information. It's really very easy and fast. So let's not waste time and let's get to it. Excel offers us several types of charts. If we choose the right chart for our presentation at work or school, it can make it interesting and engaging. We will be looking at a pie chart today. As an example, we will use the number of units sold of a particular item. The first step we need to do is to select the data we want to have displayed in our chart. We want to have all the data displayed, so we'll select the entire section. When we have selected the data, we go to the tab, Insert. We will go to the Chart section. We will select the Pie Charts option. Excel gives us several charting options here. We will choose this one. Excel will draw us a chart right away. We can customize the chart as we need. Let's show you what kind of editing options it offers us. First of all, we can change the position of the chart in a very simple way. We click on an empty spot on the chart, hold down the left mouse button, and we can move the chart to any place we need it to be. We can also easily adjust the size of our graph in this way. We can click in any corner in the chart area on one of the circles, and by dragging in any direction, we can shrink or enlarge the chart to a size that suits us. Next, we can change the entire design and color of our chart. We do this by clicking on an empty space in the chart and going to the tab, Chart Design. Here, as we can see, we have several chart design options to choose from. We can choose which one suits us best. Next, we can change the color of the chart. We go again to the tab, Chart Design, and we find the Change Color option. Now we can choose whatever color we want. The next thing we can change on the chart is the title. We can change this simply by clicking on the title, and we can type in our name. And we're done. It was a simple thing to do. What do you say? Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via a comment or like. Are you interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes, and I hope to see you in the next video.